Metapen Pencil Air 8, your iPad's best friend. Ultra light, 20 hours battery, super fast charge and palm rejection fun. Meet the Metapen Pencil Air 8, your new creative superpower. Forget the days of worrying about charging your stylus every few hours. The Metapen Pencil Air 8 comes with a mind-blowing 20-hour battery life, and it charges twice as fast as other styluses. Need to get back to work? A quick 2-minute charge powers you through 2 hours of uninterrupted creativity. It's not just a stylus. It's the most efficient, longest-lasting tool for anyone who works, sketches, or writes on an iPad. Featherlight design, maximum comfort. If you've ever felt hand fatigue from writing or drawing with a heavy stylus, you'll fall in love with the Metapen Pencil Air 8. Weighing in at a mere 10 grams, it's 50% lighter than the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen, which means you can write for hours without discomfort. Plus, with palm rejection, you can rest your hand naturally on the iPad screen without worrying about unintended marks. Enjoy paper-like smoothness every time you draw, write, or doodle. Precision like never before, 0.1 mm accuracy. Accuracy matters, especially for artists and note-takers alike. The Metapen Pencil Air 8 features 0.1 mm pixel-level precision, so you can draw fine lines or write small text without a hitch. It's lag-free and doesn't break up your strokes, delivering a seamless experience that feels as if you're writing with a real pencil. No more delayed responses or frustrating interruptions. Just pure, uninterrupted flow from start to finish. The ultimate convenience. Simple to use, easy to charge. The Metapen Pencil Air 8 is all about no-fuss functionality. Simply click the top button to turn it on, and you're ready to start. No Bluetooth connection required, just grab it and go. Plus, the LED power display shows exactly how much charge you've got left, giving you full control and peace of mind. The USB-C fast charging means you'll be back to creating in no time. Efficiency at its finest, because who has time for complicated setups? Durability that outlasts the rest. It's not just about being light and fast. The Metapen Pencil Air 8 is built to last. Made with high-quality polymer materials, the stylus tips are tested to last 20 kilometers. That's more durable than Apple Pencil tips. Plus, each package comes with 2 extra replaceable tips, meaning you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Enjoy a premium quality stylus that keeps up with your creativity, while saving you money in the long run.